ready to go. Okay, first stop. Umi. So this is my first time mo. First time namin dalawa. Yeah, let's go guys! So guys, dito kami ngayon ni Ansel sa Dangwa kasi gagawa ako ng flower city lang. So, she's filming. Kaya kasama nyo guys. Tara, let's go! So, ganyan sa to siya lang eh. Thank you, ate ko. Floral foam na lang yung kulang namin, tsaka yung paste. And then, we're ready to go. See you guys. Yes, I got the biggest bread. Thank you.